I'm making a 3D printed Verge and Folio clock. Hey guys, I'm Jacques. This is my newest project, a Verge and Folio 3D printed clock. Not quite done, not quite finished. I still need to improve a couple things. It's still going a little bit fast. I need to change some things, but it's working, so it's a good step. Here, close up from the front. The verge, the weights. There's about 300 grams on each of these weights, 600 total. The front gear, that tiny little 4-teeth gear. Side view, main shaft, pulley, another view on the escapement, and the top hook, top view on the escapement, and show some of the pins. There's a pin here, another pin here, a pin here. There will be pin to hold the front. So that's where I'm at now. There's a couple of things I want to improve. I want to do a longer folio so I can slow it down a little bit more. That means I need to do the verge and the folio separate. I need to think I'm going to do that. I need to make a stronger hook here. It's kind of bending with the weight. I want to experiment with the pallets, do different shapes and see if I can get more swing going back and forth. So, and I need to redo the face. It's a little bit messed up here, but it's working pretty good for a start, so I'm pretty happy. So I'll see you next time with a improved clock. Thank you for watching.